The 6-month drought is over. I finally signed my second social media marketing agency client. This one took a long time. This one took, like almost like 7 months to do and 14 meetings, which like no matter what, it shouldn't have taken that long. I reached out to them through cold calling, got to the owner, went in for a meeting. After the meeting, went in for a second meeting. It's a dental clinic, and then I finally closed them on that second meeting for $900 a month recurring. And yeah, it was for Facebook and Instagram ads. The people I actually reached out to, they were actually already running Facebook and Instagram ads when I was looking into them. But the way they're running the ads, it was just so terrible that I reached out to them. And when I did reach out to them, the owner was like, yeah, like I know our ads are terrible. And then yeah, I met up with them, and then I used kind of like that and how we can do better than their old marketing agency. I used that to sign them, which is nice, to be honest. It's such a low amount, like $900 a month, but I'm just glad I finally broke into the dental niche. The reason it took me such a long time to get the second client, which is like no matter what, there's no excuses. It should not have taken me almost 7 months to sign the second client. One of the reasons why it took that long is, first of all, like originally, I was going after people who weren't already running ads at all. So dental clinics that weren't actually running any Google or Facebook or Instagram ads already. But then later on, I start to shift because my mindset was, if someone is running ads already, then they don't need anybody else. They're already good. They're already running Facebook and Instagram ads. And that was actually the wrong mindset, to be honest, because with dental clinics or any kind of business, in 2021, if you wanted to run Facebook and Instagram ads by now, you already would have done that. The people that even at this point are still not running ads, those businesses, they just don't have the foresight to see the value in it already, and it's going to be super hard to convince them compared to people who already have the foresight to know that Facebook and Instagram ads work, that they're a great way to bring in new patients, but just don't know how to do it. Which is originally I was going after people that weren't actually doing it and the people that didn't have the foresight to do it. So the sales calls were quite harder to convince them, because I had to convince them of me, my company, and Facebook and Instagram ads, compared to the people I'm going after now who are already running ads. I just have to convince them of me and my company that we're actually better than the guys that are already running the ads for them. And yeah, once I had that kind of shift, I started, because originally I would just skip over the people that were already running ads, but once I actually started going after those people, I started to get a lot more meetings, and like at higher conversion rates, and the meetings started going a little bit better, which is why I actually signed this client. So yeah, the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 20th, this shouldn't take me that long. I'm definitely not going to go on another 6-month drought. I should sign it within some more clients within a month from here on in. So yeah, pretty excited. I'm glad I got this one out of the way. Other than that, I just want to do a quick little update video, and like obviously, like other than my sales skills, like even just having this client in, and like I can use these testimonials to get even more clients, and now that I have, skin in the game, now I can actually just do a lot better and use these results, which we've been killing it for them so far. I can use these results to sign even more clients. So yeah, I'm glad I have skin in the game now, and I'm going to be going at it. Next client shouldn't take as long, and yeah, I am going to shoot some real kind of valuable content from here on in. I just wanted to do this quick little update video so my 2 subscribers aren't left wondering if I signed my other client or not. So yeah, I want to do a quick little update, and yeah, let's get it.